Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today for Conquer Your Safety Stock Challenges. I'm Denise, and with me to present this month is developer extraordinaire Christian Manga.
Hello everybody. Let's talk about safety stock and the role it has in a company. Generally, safety stock is additional quantity of an item held in inventory to ensure that customer demand will be met when it is needed. If safety stock level is too low, you run the risk of an item being out of stock if there is demand or expected delivery of item is delayed. This will affect your on-time performance. If safety stock quantities are too high, it increases your inventory and affects your cash flow. Most businesses review safety stock levels on a regular basis to ensure they have optimal inventory levels. How do businesses review safety stock levels? Usually the planner runs inventory and usage reports and reviews whether existing levels need to be adjusted. They take into account any changes to vendors, lead times, trends in usage, end-of-life parts, etc. Sometimes they need to run multiple reports and consolidate them into a spreadsheet for easier review. Then they need to make the changes in the system, updating each record manually. Typically, this is a manual and time-consuming process, not an exercise that allows for quick response to changing usage patterns. This is just an example on the consumer side of understocking items. For manufacturing customers, the effect of frequent non-stock items can affect future purchases of equipment if critical service parts and aftermarket items are not readily available. How do 32 soft data loaders help in this process? Our Excel-based safety stock data loader allows the users to use real-time information to track developing changes, whether with vendor lead times, increase, decrease demand, etc., and respond quickly by efficiently updating the system so all planning and inventory calculations are up to date. The data loader is so easy to use that you can review your safety stock levels more frequently, and it is so efficient that you can update hundreds of records in minutes, thereby freeing up the planner's time for other tasks. How does this more agile response affect your business? It allows for inventory reduction, improves delivery performance, and improves cash flow, which ultimately leads to greater customer satisfaction and a stronger business. Let's take a look at the data loader that we're talking about. So this is the 32SOFT Safety Stock data loader. Like all our other loaders, it follows a similar format. You have selection criteria at the top left and action buttons, and then you have your detail lines. First thing you need to do is click on Setup button and select the database you connect to. Let's connect to our test database. Once we've done that, we need to enter the selection criteria and click the download button. So let's download just items for a particular buyer and site. The first time we connect with the loader, it will ask us for our QAD ID and password. So let's enter that. And then the data is downloaded based on our selection criteria. We have in gray all the read-only fields. We have a number of columns for our item data, and also we have data for our monthly usage, and then a total here and an average monthly usage. We also have built in the data loader the current safety stock level from QED, as well as a column for suggested safety stock level. This is just a formula that we can tweak for your use. This will allow us to review all the items we selected. Then we take a look at the usage, take a look at our current level, and take a look at the suggested safety stock level that we built into the data loader. The columns highlighted in green are the fields that you can edit. So we have the new safety stock level, the new order multiple, new location we can add other fields as needed, and the comments. One of the nice features of this loader is the comments field. This allows the planner to download the data, review, and make any comments, like things we would normally put into spreadsheet and would share with other people. Now we can put in the comment and it is saved in the database. So let's just see what happens if we make some changes. Let's just select a few items. I will delete the rest. And then for these ones, I will update the safety stock. Let's make this somewhere in between, like 400, maybe 354, and 160 here. I can also update the order multiple if I want, or not. Let's say just updating the safety stock level. With any changes, we do need to put a comment. This is a mandatory field. So let's enter something here. October 18. So because this is an Excel, I can just copy paste really quick. This is the comment. Once we are done, we are going to click the upload button and the data is uploaded really quick and easy. If we want, we can just download to make sure that the information was changed. So let's see. We have 400, we have 354, and we have 160 here that we changed in the current safety stock level. And we can also see the previous comment that was changed. We also have a feature to check the comments, previous comments. So I can select a line and then I can click on the comments button and I can see the previous comment. So the first time it was adjusted here and then by this user, and then I adjusted the order multiple, and then today we adjusted the safety stock. These are basically the main features of the safety stock data loader. So to recap how usage data is captured, component usage is periodically extracted from transaction history into a cache table shown on the diagram. Depending on company specifics, different transaction types can be included into usage calculations. For example, we can look just at the work order issues, or also look at the sales order issues, intersite inventory transfer, etc. In conclusion, the safety stock data loader can be used in multiple ways to upload data quickly as a planning tool and also as a report. It's real-time information in an easy-to-use tool that allows for more frequent reviews and update of critical information. The safety stock calculator is a common tool which allows a company to have a consistent formula for inventory levels, eliminating situations where different planners have different formulas and approaches for safety stock management. This loader will increase productivity, enhance performance, and lead to greater customer satisfaction. Now I'm going to pass the microphone to Denise. Thank you for your attention.
Great, Christian. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to have you join us. For now, we will go ahead and move along. Up next, Don doesn't look like he'll be able to join us today, but he will be back to present Managing Contracts in QAD, and that'll be next month. So if you want some clarity around that very robust service and support module, be sure to join us for, well, what will be, I can hardly believe I'm saying, our last webinar of 2023 on November 15th. And we did have another fun and fruitful time at the Midwest User Group Conference last month, and we will be at the West Coast User Group Conference at the end of this month. If you are attending, please be sure to stop by our booth and say hello. Back to today with a final thought about preparedness and planning. If you are looking for a better way, and aren't we always, then keep in mind that the best time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Thank you to all of our attendees for taking time out to join us live today. We hope to see you again for our 2023 series finale on November 15th with Don. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.